Hi folks, Jeff here at Global Industrial. We have hidden in the depths of the shop here, we have a 50 horsepower Quincy water-cooled air compressor, and it comes with a Hankinson 280 SCFM air dryer. These units were pulled out of an engineering and testing facility and were operational when they were pulled. We have maintenance records on the unit and a few extra filters. So if you have any questions, call me at 414-305-7292, or you can email me at jeff@gibuys.com. There will be some specifications on the link below, and also just hang around at the end of the video, guys. We'll have some specs rolling down as credits and also a few photographs for you. We really hope to hear from you. Have a wonderful day.
Magic Bass.
Every day I get in the queue, get on a bus that takes me to you.